Hi. Given the uniform distribution below, what is the height of the function f of x? So f of x is this flat line right here, and it's a horizontal, just flat line. And give your answer as a reduced fraction. So that's the first part of this, and this is the uniform distribution. So the so the height of the function f of x is going to be equal to 1 over the length of the entire uniform distribution. So the length of the entire distribution is the length of the entire large rectangle. There's like, this is the larger rectangle. Like, so finding the length of that distribution, you would have to take the endpoints right here. That's where the rectangle stops. And right here, this is where it starts. You have to subtract those two numbers to find the length. So it's 1 over 12. So that's what we want here, 1 over 12. What is the probability that of the shaded region? Well, now that we know that this height of the function is 1 over 12, we just have to find the area of this rectangle, of this shaded rectangle. And so let me erase all. Now we're no longer focused on the large rectangle. Now we're focused on this small rectangle. And now to find the area of this, that is the probability they're asking for, we have to find the base times the height. Well, the formulas of the area for the area of that rectangle is length times width, or base times height, however you want to say it. It's the long side times by the short side. So the base is going to be 1, 2, 3, or to find the length there of that base, you take the endpoints again and you subtract them. So that's 12 minus 9, which would be 3. So the base of that rectangle is 3. And the height, well, the height here of the function f of x is 1 over 12. And that's the same, like if you just look at it, it's just the same height all the way over here. So this is 1 over 12. So it's just 1 over 3 times 1 over 12. Now you have to, they want you to leave this in a reduced fraction form. So you have to do 3 over 1 when you whenever you're multiplying a whole number times by a fraction, you put the whole number over 1, and you're going to multiply straight across. You can I call it cross reducing. If you see a number that divides into the numerator here, the diagonal here, and the diagonal there, you can go ahead and divide by that number right now before we multiply. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4, and now we multiply straight across with the numbers that are left. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 4 is 4. And so our final answer there is 1/4. There we go. All right, thanks for watching.